Hi everyone, today I'm doing another channel once again because I'm here today at Leighton Buzzard once again, and just to say is I'm doing another channel because I love doing my channels. So yeah, mate, look, upstairs is there. Look, watch. I won't take you up there, but I'll just show you up there. Look, I'll be getting other people in. Look.
Customer announcement. From the
See?
28th of October 2019 until February 2020, all lifts at Watford Junction Station will be out of use whilst they are refurbished and replaced. Alternative step-free options.
Oh, look, bruv, Oh, yeah, boy.
Passengers who require step-free access during this time, book the travel assistance via the website.
Hi, member station staff. Thanks.
Further information.
Thanks. Where, UK. So yeah, so hopefully there'll be a train coming soon again, fast, hopefully. So yeah, and hopefully there'll be a train coming speeding soon. So yeah, I'm just here today. So yeah, man, I'm not even on the yellow line, but I told you I'm above it. I told you, I'm not even on it. If I was on it, bruv, then I would have let you know, and I would have come straight off it, bruv. Because there's the bus stop. One of the buses already going. We're coming into Leighton Buzzard now. Just turned up. The bus just turned up, so. Not the 1 o'clock bus yet though. The Bletchley bus and that goes to Bletchley. So yeah, goes to Milton Keynes and Bletchley. You can, from here you can go to Milton Keynes to Bletchley, I think. I'm not too sure, I think you can though, I think. But it is actually a nice day though again today. Actually is, man. It's a nice day. Can't believe that train earlier was loud earlier. I was like, oh God. Holy God. Look, everyone, look. Oh yeah, boy. Oh yes. Booyah. Like I'm above Leighton Buzzard. So yeah. And so we're going home at 2:10 today at 2:10. So I'll get the bus at 2 o'clock again. And get the bus at 10:00. We'll get to the bus stop at 2 o'clock. Then get the bus at 2:10. Then do another channel. Then I'll be done. Then I can come back here another day. I'll pee off, man. Seriously, man. Shut up. Shut up. Look, I'll read the sign to you again, look. Please, no, passengers must not cross the line except by means of the footbridge. What's the footbridge? I don't know what the footbridge is. I ain't freaking got a clue what footbridge is, bruv. What the hell's footbridge? I don't know. footbridge. I think this is a footbridge. I think. So you can sit here though. I mean, not actually in it though. You can just stand next to it and don't go on the yellow line, see? Stay about here so you'll be fine. Or lean against that, then like that. Look, I can still see the trains though. You need to cut them bushes so I can see them more. Shut up! That shut up, didn't it? Shut up! Oh, way, it's 2, it's 3. Shut up! Shut up, I said. I'm waving above the yellow line. Oh yeah, hell yeah, boy. Hell yeah, boy. Hell yeah. That is mad, bruv. Shut up! Okay, everyone, peace out. Peace out. Pardon me. First, do say peace out. I got that, everyone. My drink is Fanta. Okay, everyone. Fanta, peace out. Subscribe, peace out. Bye bye, peace out, you prick. Bye bye, you prick. Peace out. Peace out. Bye bye, peace out.